The Purge feature has been redesigned for easier drawing cleanup, and to help you understand why certain items can't be purged. Selecting categories and individual objects is easier with the added checkboxes. Notice that zero-length geometry and empty text objects can be purged separately. We added a preview area where you can view a highlighted object, and the area is resizable for easier viewing. We added the Find Non-Purgeable Items button for easier viewing of the items that can't be purged from the drawing. In this example, I'll expand layers and select the Doors layer. In the Possible Reasons area, you can see general information about why the layer can't be purged, and in the Details area, there's information specific to the objects on the Doors layer. To find the objects in the drawing, click on the Select Objects icon. This closes the Purge dialog box and selects the objects in the drawing. From here you can make further changes as needed, such as moving the selected objects to another layer.